live in our own country by a radical ideology, we will fall very quickly and our children will suffer. This is me warning America.
Man, I don't know about you guys, but you cannot convince me that that's a coincidence. But what he says next, though, is something that we all need to hear right now desperately.
You don't know what that was. I'm not perfect. I'm a sinner like anybody else. But I would never play with the Lord like this.
Don't laugh.
Ever.
Whatever that was had to have been divine.
Yep.
This is crooked as his mouth. I would never play with God.